Welcome back to Origami Videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this simple and quick origami paper heart. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper, and we will start by folding our paper on both diagonals. Next, we will open it and we will bring this point of the square down to the middle and press it down. And now we'll fold this point up to this line here. And again press it down. Now we'll fold this line to this line here, so we'll do it like this. And we'll do the same with the other side. And press it down. Now we're almost finished. We'll just flip our paper around and we will fold this point of the triangle to this line here. And do the same on the other side. And now we'll just fold this point in to this line here. Press it down and do the same on the other side. And once we turn it, we have our first origami heart. This is very simple and I believe that everyone can do it. See you in the next video.